Hello everyone, my name is Caroline. I'm really bored right now. Tomorrow is my first day of school and I'm nervous about it, so I figured I'll do something fun to take my mind off of it. Now, heads up, I'm not very good at makeup. Not a makeup guru. Not one of my many talents. I'm okay at it. I'm decent. I can do what I need to do. But, today I thought I would do something fun. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by Juno Birch. She's my favorite. She's stunning. She's super fun. She's also an artist, which I love. So I don't have like any of the products that she has. So we're just gonna have to wing it. Oh, I don't even have a brush to fucking, I'll have to use. This is a really cheap paintbrush. So I'm gonna be covering my eyebrows because I do have a little bit of eyebrows right now. I did shave the ends of them off, but they're already growing back and I don't want to shave them again. Oh, this is disgusting. I have to borrow my roommate's. Or what about this one? Yes! So we're gonna be doing this. I only have done this once. Oh, I need a spoolie. Fuck. Oh no. And I'm not 100% sure if I'm doing this right, so please be patient with me. Put the powder on. Excuse me, please take your time. Oh my god. I keep dropping everything. Why am I so bad at this? Where did I put the glue stick? Oh my god. Oh, I'm so stupid. It was literally right next to the camera. I'm not gonna if it looks bad, I don't even care, you know? No, I watched a tutorial on this and he said when it's tacky to pull it up to have it be smooth. But then when I did that, it bunched up and became crusty and I'm like, girl. Hello? My hair is literally so gross. I need to take a shower before tomorrow because tomorrow's my first day of school and I don't want people to be thinking I'm smelly. Hello? Why does it look like shit? You know what I'm obsessed with? Glow Up. I love Glow Up. It has really inspired me to do makeup and stuff. And it's weird because every time I see them do it, I'm like, that's so easy. How they... Can we talk about season 1 of Glow Up? Because I'm super upset about it. I was looking at the camera this whole time and it doesn't look that bad on camera, but in real life it looks absolutely horrendous. It looks so crusty. How does that guy blend it? It makes no sense. It makes zero sense. Okay, that is going to look a little questionable. Okay, they're kind of gone. God, I look so ugly. I look kind of like an egg. I think yellow for under eye bags, right? Now, I'm thinking for this, because the thing about Juno Birch is she does her foundation where it's the whole face a weird color. I was thinking about it and I'm I could do the classic blue that she does, but then I was no, I'm gonna be my version of Juno Birch. And I was thinking orange. I feel I would be an orange gal. So we're gonna try our best to make this happen, but results aren't looking good. I'm gonna use... Okay, it didn't work. Look, that's literally regular color. Okay. Should I just mix it with my foundation? Or what if I mixed it with moisturizer? Would that be weird?
This, ladies and gentlemen, is where it all went wrong.
Would that even work? I don't think it will, but we will test it out. That's really dark. Yeah, that's not happening. I tried to do drag makeup once on my boyfriend and it looked really bad. Wasn't even fun for me. That's how bad it was. Okay, we're getting there. Is that any better? A little bit. I'm using moisturizer, by the way. This is not real makeup. This is really ugly for me and not good for anyone, actually. I think that's okay. That looks okay. Let's try that. See that? It literally just washed away. Okay, let's just be quick about it. This is a paintbrush, by the way. We're doing very much drugstore, like we don't know what's going on, we're poor, we don't have the materials. That's very much what's happening right now. Watch her tutorial if you actually want to like do her look, because like you're not gonna get it here. Sorry folks. I'm not gonna do the whole body because like who the fuck has time for that. I'm just gonna do the face. Okay. Here's the deal. So I was mixing moisturizer with eyeshadow, and the thing about this moisturizer is it like comes off really chunky very easily. So after a while of like me trying to layer it, I was like, this looks disgusting. So then I tried doing it with just foundation, and it worked a lot better. That's all moisturizer. Don't use moisturizer. I thought I was being fun and crafty, but it turns out just go with the obvious option. I thought it wouldn't work. Oh my god, this looks so horrendous. With the next step, I'm like, I could fix it and start over and just like have it be easy, but like I'm tired of this already. So we're gonna do the powdering part. I don't have the giant thing that Juno Birch has, so this will be interesting. This is a mess. I'm doing this on the floor. Oh my god. This is like not good. Like really not good. Look, my nose is peeling off. That is so gross. Oh, this is gonna literally take 50 years. This is embarrassing for me. I look like a Cheeto. I look like disgusting Donald Trump, the fucking gross guy. The amount of product that I am breathing into my mouth right now. I'm gonna get lung cancer from this, like actually. It feels very interesting. It's like super heavy. My face doesn't like it. What else doesn't like it is my eyes and my lungs. I really hope my roommate doesn't walk in while I'm doing this, because then that will be like ultra embarrassing, because he's like super good at makeup, like insanely good, that it's scary. I think it's taking all of it off. Jesus. Is that actually? It took it off. It took it off. Oh my god, I'm gonna look like a burn victim. It looks so bad. Like really, I'm not like inebriated. Like this is just literally me just trying. I thought this would be easy. If I had a foundation stick, this would have been fantastic and it would have looked amazing. And I have orange all over me. This is not good. I should never have used that moisturizer. It literally ruined everything. Like, I don't think it would have been this bad. Like, really. If I just, like, fucking use foundation. I'm a stupid bitch. My eyes hurt. So, we're gonna attempt some eye makeup and contouring and all that shit. Face is burning. Let's see. Should we use red or... Yeah, we'll use red because my face is very dark and not pastel whatsoever. She does this weird thing where it's like up here. Okay. It's here. Yes. And it's rough and it's gross. And it does not look good. Because I don't even have a good face for this. We're gonna try though. We're gonna try. Now I'm using an eyeshadow brush right now because Juno Birch likes using small brushes to contour. Even though like I should just like stop trying, I'm still trying to try. Okay, this side is like a million times better than this side. What the fuck did I do wrong here? I'm like kind of not trying that much because I have given up at this point. I'm still trying to try. So I've just kind of accepted that I'm gonna look like shit and like a Cheeto. So there's that. What else does she do? She does like the brow bone thing. You can still see my eyebrows too, which is not helping. Can like product go onto my face, please? I literally can't fix this. I can't blend it out because the stuff has come off. So like this is just fucked. Oh, I don't think she does that. She contours with powder. She does powder contour. And it like doesn't. Oh, come on. Come on, guys. Oh. Can something happen? I've given up. if you couldn't tell already by the amount of times that I've said I've given up. I literally look like Donald Trump. Oh, that's not even how she highlights. I'm so stupid. She does. Oh god. No. And she gets white. I don't have any white. I can get the white in there and go. In what world would you date this? In what world? So she likes blush that is literally just... Ah! This is hurting my eye. This is not it, sis. This is not it. Don't do this. Don't be stupid like I am. This blush is from the 8th grade. I'm a junior in college. You can't even see it. You really can't even see it. Like, what's the point of this anymore? Look at my hands. I'm getting orange on everything. Please open. Just for me. Be a kind person and open for me, please. Oh, I think I got it in my eye because it, like, really hurts. She does. Very fast. Very quick. Hi, everyone. I'm Juno Birch. This isn't bad. This is bad. Okay, I'm washing this off immediately. So, thanks for watching.
Okay, there is supposed to be a super funny compilation of pictures of me posing with the makeup on here, but I lost all those pictures because my phone got stolen by a hobo. True story. I'm not going to tell it. But, so here's just a drawing that I did. A poor drawing at that. Thank you.